What's going on, YouTube family? Today we have a live HFX trading session for you. First phase of the video was teaching you guys how to use RaceOption. Now we're going to be going over live trading so you guys can really get a feel for the market. I'm going to be using a special product called Cash Trap, brought to us by I Am Mastery Academy. So you guys are going to see me using it. I'm not going to be teaching it in this video, but you will see the results that I get from using this product. So go ahead and like and subscribe this video right before we get started. It helps the YouTube algorithm suggest this video to people who want to learn more about HFX. Excited to share this one with you guys. Let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing great. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going over the cash trap strategy, and we're going to be doing some live trading. Won't be going too in depth into the strategy itself. I'll just be using the actual scanner to call out some trades, show you guys what it is that I leverage to be able to call out these trades. Remember, these are all 5-minute trades, and we're going to be placing our orders for about 3 minutes, and that's pretty much it. So 3-minute trades that we're going to be doing. We're looking at it from a 5-minute time frame, and we're going to be trading these pairs over here that you see to our right. So I'm going to be explaining it a little bit more in depth as I go, but first things first, we want to focus on what is the strongest pairs, what right now is moving, and then kind of base our analysis off of that. So our scanner is going to be calling out trades for us. As you guys can see, we have a USD JPY buy trade right now, and for me to really confirm that buy, I want to see the momentum of my stochastics. Looks like we're hitting about a halfway bounce, and then from there, really looking at what is strong. So the USD is definitely stronger than the JPY. So catching that trade right here would have been ideal. As you guys can see, it's already moving up. 104.828 is where we're at right now. Let's see if we can go to USD JPY. We're looking at about a 77% payout. We're going to be doing $20 orders. And let's see if we can maybe get a little bounce off of here. So I don't know if we'll get the retest, but I do see that this is a promising trade here. Yeah, we already moved up. That would have been the ideal, most ideal entry here. We are probably going to see this test over here. So we did get a bounce. All right, I like that entry. I'm going to go ahead and enter it twice, actually. So I entered once. Maybe I can get a second entry. And go ahead and refresh this real quick. So we are currently at 832. I'll go ahead and double up on this trade. Awesome, and now we are in it twice. So let's go ahead and stay patient. We are in this trade for about the next few minutes, so let's see where this trade takes us. We do have USD that is bullish, JPY that is bearish right now, so that's on our side. And we can see that we now have some impulse moves towards the upside. So let's see if we don't get wicked out on here. We can just go ahead and respect these support zones. If we have to roll over, I'll probably roll over on both trades, but I highly doubt it. It does seem like this market does want to push up, so we'll just stay patient. We do have about a minute and a half till this orders close out. Let me check over here. We have we have about 45 seconds for this candle to close, so more or less about the same amount of time. So we'll just stay patient here and we'll see what we have going on. What I'm looking for is a good spike up, though. It's definitely what I want to see. Nice spike, no retest, just a nice good continuation, and driving this price up as we close out this 5-minute candle over here. So 20 seconds to this candle, and we are in profit on one of our trades. Okay, now we're break even for both. Three seconds for this close here. And let's see what it gives us. So we're in profit on one. Hopefully we can move into profit within the next few seconds here on this candle. All right, and now we are not in profit anymore, unfortunately. So, all right, back into profit. Hopefully we can stay there and continue. Gorgeous win, 2 wins right there, as you guys can see. Awesome setup. We just had that little retest at the end, but we did see what we wanted to see here. We did catch those buys. So for the most part, we are 2-0 right now for the session, looking good. And let's go ahead and look for some more opportunities. So, and then let's see Euro USD real quick. How is Euro USD moving? So Euro USD at the moment calling out a sell. Euro to the USD. So Euro is weak, US dollar is strong. I like that. That's a very great call out right there. And we do see that bearish momentum. Entry was at 319. I don't know if maybe we can find a possible entry point there. Let's see what Euro USD is paying out. Paying out about 75%. And let me see, this market this is gonna close in the next 2 minutes. So yeah, you're probably gonna break this right here. If we can get like a good retest of, let's see, yeah, like this level right here, like that 315. If we can get a 315 retest, that'd be great. I would love to enter that on a 3-minute sell before we catch that big break here. So if we get a good retest at 315, I'll go ahead and I'll enter for that sell. Okay, almost there. If we can get 315, and I'll go ahead and enter. Oof, nice drop. That was probably it. The train might have left us right there, guys. That would have been the trade for us right there. Maybe we can get a good little liquidity pool right there, liquidity grab, and maybe enter that sell position. That would be perfect. This train might have just left us. Oh, beautiful. All right, so we entered at 315. Our entry is in. If we have to roll over, we will roll over, but right now it doesn't seem like it. We have 10 seconds left to this candle. We may close all the way down here, so this might have been a great entry here for us. Let's go ahead and be patient with it. Let's see, Euro, USD still showing bearish, so we're looking good there. Let me go ahead and double up on this entry. May have to roll over here, if anything, but I highly doubt it. Gorgeous, gorgeous trade. Beautiful double up opportunity. Hopefully we can go and stay into that negative area. We are in profit on one. We're not in profit on the second one. But I think we should see a good dip here before this minute closes. Let's go ahead and roll it over just for safe measure. Give us a little bit extra time here. See if we can end this session off 4-0 with some nice profits. Let's see here. Doesn't seem like we need to roll over right now, so we'll just hold it and be patient with the trade. Oh, okay, getting some spikes. Don't really like those spikes. All right, we're about to close in profit on one. Beautiful. One already. And then this one, unfortunately, we can't roll over, but amazing. Oh, come on. We're almost in profit here. Great. Yeah, we should see that that drop there. I really hope we do see this market fall below our entry here. That would be awesome because we did roll over. So amazing, amazing. Yeah, awesome trade. Very close. Come on. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, so very, very close. But you know, we did end off this session with that win. Oh, there we go. There goes the drop. If we would have had a few seconds later, we would have been in profit there. But yeah, guys, so we did close out this session with 3 wins, 1 loss. So we did end it off in profit. And there you go, guys. That should be just a quick highlight for you to showcase the cash trap strategy. As long as you guys are leveraging your your currency strength indicators and your hourglass system, you guys are pretty much set. I'm gonna go ahead and post the results so you guys can see what the winnings were for the day. But you know, we pretty much went 3-1, and if it wasn't for that little spike right there, we definitely would have had that gorgeous win. So you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.